We're going to clean a couple of things here. First, let's test this one. I did the scratch on here. It gave a real nice, that is a nice amount. I use 18K, and if it turns a light blue, which it is, and it's not going away either. I don't know if y'all can see this here. We're losing light, but usually if it goes away, let's just try to find some sun. No, Olivia, this isn't anything to eat. No, So that looks like it's going to be sterling with it staying like that. If it just floats off, it's plated. Olivia, oh my gosh. It's the last thing we need is her having some of that. So that's sterling, it's just not marked, and you can tell. It's just beautiful handiwork on there. Let's try to get it focused. I think it's trying to focus on this. So that's pretty. I'll clean that up at some other time. We're going to go ahead and clean. First, let's just clean this one that's not marked with that interesting clasp. Dip it down in here. Oh, that just turns out pretty. It's not marked, but it sure did. Looks like it cleaned up pretty nice. I'm dropping it in this soapy water. It turned out pretty. It's probably hard to see. Boy, that shines up, doesn't it? Gorgeous. I'll have to test that maybe. All right, this one is marked sterling. Well, it's marked 925 Italy. This is just something that jewelry cleaner. This might take a while because it is very, very tarnished, and that's probably why it ended up in that baggie. It's starting to look pretty. Boy, that is really, really tarnished. Let's give it a few more minutes. I'm going to clean off this testing stone. So that's how you can use the 18K. I use it because the silver, everything streaks brown. If it's red, it's obviously silver. But quite a lot of things streak brown. It's looking prettier. It still has some black areas. And people have said sometimes the Italian silver is not the real deal. I tend to think that this one was in the water somewhere. Could even be in salt water, getting black like that. I think it's cleaning up just fine. What do y'all think? We're just outside. It's just easier for me. The lighting might might not be the greatest right now in the evening. And then I'm going to have to clean a little bit more. But I'll do that off camera probably. Turned out pretty nice. Twisted rope. What a beautiful piece. My hands are wet to touch the phone and try to focus. If you missed it, we're marked right there, 925 Italy, and this clasp is also marked 925. Thanks for joining us. Well, I'm just going to drop this in real quick there. See how that turns out. Oh boy, that cleans up. That cleaned up very nice, so definitely there is no markings. 2 pieces of silver. This one I guess is plated, I don't know. Thanks for joining us. Hope everybody's out there finding plenty of treasures. See y'all next time.